Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick Biometrics and Security. And finally scroll down one more time and pick Other Security Settings. Here you will notice Clear Credentials, so just tap on this icon. And now you have to confirm your decision by tapping on OK, because all certificates will be permanently removed. So if you are sure that you want to do it, just tap on OK. And that's it, credential storage has been cleared. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.